If you love Halloween, then this new BOOtiful Greetings paper collection by Graphic 45 is for you. This paper collection highlights all the Halloween all-stars. We've got ghosts, we've got bats, decorative pumpkins, witch accessories, owls, and of course, you know, we've got to add a black cat or two. This video is going to be filled with tricks and treats. I'm going to show you all of these gorgeous papers, share some project inspiration, tips and tricks, showcase all 4 of these coordinating embellishments, as well as the 2 coordinating metal dies. I'm Charee with Graphic 45. And before we get started, I wanted to say thank you so much to everyone who's picked up our 2 new sister collections, Merryful Greetings and BOOtiful Greetings. The response to these 2 collections has been overwhelming. They've been our best-selling products to date. And, you know, Graphic 45 has been around for 18 years. We're a family-run company and a sister-run company, so having sister collections just fits naturally and perfect with us. So the idea behind the sister collections are they celebrate 2 different occasions, but they have a common theme, a common feeling, vibe, if you will, where we've got some fun, festive, whimsical imagery and some really great plaids and checks that all coordinate together. So let me show you these 8x8 papers. So this is our signature page here. You can see it sets the tone for the collection, lets you know the color palette and the imagery that you're going to get inside. This also is great for cutting apart. You've got some great borders that you can cut apart. You've got some cut apart pieces here and some gorgeous florals and things for those of you who love to fussy cut. On the back, we've got that signature check. And how fun is this floral with that coordinating plaid? I don't know. I know it's early to say this, but maybe this one's my favorite so far. Next, we have my mom's favorite paper, the borders. I think my mom loves these papers because they polish off any project by just adding a nice simple border. You just cut that out and add it to your card or your album and you're ready to go. And then how fun is this treat page? Here we have an elegant little toit number with these gorgeous witches, cats, bats, and spider webs. So these ones are perfect, especially for new beginners. All you need to do is grab your photo, mat it with one of these great patterns and solids that come in the paper collection, and then add it here with a little journaling card or a sentiment, just marking the occasion. This paper here is the best-selling paper from the collection, and I think you can see why. Got another layout paper. This one is with the lighter color palette. So fun. And our Graphic 45 brand ambassadors have done some really great things with these layout papers. So if you're looking for some inspiration on how to use our products, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We share a lot of great tutorials there. While I'm blabbing along, this is our journaling paper. You can see here we've got all these great cut aparts, and on the back, these spots, when you cut these out, they just provide great spots for you to write in your journaling for your albums or also on your cards when you want to write a sentiment. And then of course you're going to get these patterns and solids as well. You get 4 different patterns and you get 2 of each of those, so 8 papers. And look how great those solids are. Here's a tip: when you're using busy, gorgeous detailed papers like this, the patterns and solids come in handy very easily, where they give you a place for a focal spot. You can just add a photo on top of here. You've got that gorgeous busy paper giving you interest and really setting the tone, but the patterns and solids are going to provide a great spot for a focal point and giving your eye a place to rest. And those papers come in both 8x8 and 12x12s. You can see they are the same gorgeous designs, just two different sizes for your two different size projects. While we have out our 12x12 journaling cut apart page, let me take this time to introduce you to our brand new postage stamp, collage, and number die set. This comes with 27 different metal dies. You're gonna have some collage postage pieces and also separate stamp pieces in all different sizes. Circles, we've got the little postage stamp, hello, friend, and numbers here. So this is gonna be a must-have die set for anybody who's into die cutting. And let me show you why. So you can see here on this cut apart, we've got these two different stamp collages. We have a vertical one here and a horizontal one here. And if you take this large collage die here, the focal point, you can lay that right on top of there and you're gonna get out these gorgeous cuts. So you can see this one came from here and it die cuts that stamp collage beautifully, giving you all those nice stamped edges. Of course, it's gonna work for both your journaling papers, and it's also gonna work in the BOOtiful Greetings paper collection and all of our new paper collections going forward. Along with that journaling cut apart paper, you can see in BOOtiful Greetings, we have these two other papers that feature stamps, the signature cut apart sheet and then also the border sheet. And both of those are gonna have this coordinating die cut that's gonna cut out these stamps as well. So anytime going forward with Graphic 45 paper collections, if there is a stamp featured on the paper collection in the 12x12 size, this postage stamp set will cut those out. So genius on Amy's behalf, creating these new coordinating papers and dies. So we can't wait to see what you create with those. And we're pleased to announce the return of the 12x12 patterns and solids pack. So we tried bringing out a smaller size and we got a lot of feedback that the 8.5x11 was not the move, that everybody wanted the 12x12 back. So of course we listened to you and we brought back the 12x12. So thank you everyone for the feedback. We really appreciate everything that you share with us in the community. And so let us know in the comments below, are you excited about the return of the 12x12? Is there anything else you want to see from Graphic 45 in the future? Let us know. One thing we love about the solids paper pack is how perfectly they go together with the metal dies. So they of course cut out some really gorgeous dies. Think of all these little pieces here, the hello friend, the numbers that are going to work beautifully, but also the new Halloween hanging die set is going to be cut out beautifully with these papers. And they coordinate great with all Halloween collections. So here we've got this little string of ghosts, a tree branch with a spider web, another spider web, a broom, a witch hat, a pumpkin, and then this little dangling thing. It's gonna be able so you can dangle things from your ghosts or your tree branch. I like the hat, the pumpkins, or the spider. You can see all those gorgeous pieces on the back. Let me just show you a sample created with that die set. So you can see Amy's used some of those gorgeous patterns and solids to cut out these pieces. So we've got this broom here, the two different sizes of pumpkins, the cobwebs, the ghosts, the tree branch, the socks, and how fun are these little hanging pieces. So those are hanging there. And then on the inside, got more of those ghosts and that spooky spider. Next up, we've got the Ephemera set with 70 assorted pieces in here. You can see them all listed here on the back. Let me open this up. We've got a black cat, these cute ghosts, a frame, and how great is this sentiment for adding on to your cards or your layouts? Happy haunting, and to all a good fright. Here we have the BOOtiful Greeting rub-on transfer set. In this pack, you're gonna get 2 different sheets and a popsicle stick. So one sheet's perfect for all those background details, really adding some mixed media qualities without having to pull out all your tools. And the other has all these fun little elements. And these are so fun and fabulous to use. They come off really easily and they add a lot of layer to your projects. So let me just add one to this gorgeous card that we have here already. And just so you can see how easy this is, I'm thinking I want to add some of this spider web here. I'm not going to use the whole thing. I'm just going to use a corner of it. Just using your fine tip scissors, we're going to go in here and cut out the image that we want, like so. And then I'm just going to use a quarter of it. So I'll just put the rest of it back on my backing sheet so it doesn't get stuck anywhere, and I can use that on another project in the future. So let's just grab your popsicle stick that comes in there or your bone folder, and we're just going to rub this on. And voila, there we have it. We've got our gorgeous little spider web now on our card. I have to warn you though, these rub-ons can be addictive. Once you start playing around with them, you're not going to want to stop, and they just add so much personality to your papers. And of course, we had to add the cardstock sticker set. So here you get 2 sheets. They're unique and they're 6 by 12 inches. You can see there's a lot of really great cardstock thick stickers on here to be added easy breezy to your projects. And then we have the BOOtiful Greetings chipboard pieces, tags, and frames. In this pack, you get 34 different pieces, and these are going to add a lot of great dimension to your projects. So you can see some great frames. Love that stripe and floral. Some tags, another fun frame, and of course, my favorite kind of candy, or my favorite Halloween candy, that is, candy corn. So if you're a candy corn fan like me, let us know in the comments, what's your favorite treat? You can see I've added some of these chipboard pieces to the cover of this album, and they give it a nice little gloss, a little shine, add up some dimension and texture. So I've got some bats here and a great little pumpkin. And to go with all those gorgeous projects, you're going to need an album to put them in. So we have the black check binder album with interactive pages. You can see here, let me show you one I've done up with the BOOtiful Greetings papers. So you can see I've just taken a graphic 45 tag, an image from that signature cut apart page. The BOOtiful Greetings also came from there, and some gorgeous patterns and solids, a border, and this album cover just came to life. We also have a chipboard piece here and some of that border, just adding some decoration to the album spine. So let me show you what you're going to get on the inside. You have this gorgeous polka dot inside cover, and then these 3 dividers. These have a pocket here to store your goodies, and they're already a decorative, fun divider page, so you could just leave it as is, add in your goodies, or of course you could add on some pattern paper and a photo. You're going to get 3 of these horizontal fold out interactive pages. These come in black, so they're going to coordinate great with both BOOtiful and Merryful Greetings. But of course, they're gonna go with other Graphic 45 or other paper collections you've got in your stash as well. And then you've got 3 vertical loading pages. So these are gonna fold. You can have them fold down, or you can take them out of your binder. And you can have them flip up as well. So how fun are those? You could have one flip down, one flip up, and have a really fun, cohesive, double-sided layout. And then you're gonna get 3 blank black media pages as well. These albums have a really great D-ring brass binder, these nice little metal corners, and a brass label plate. We hope today's video gave you a lot of ideas on how you can use our new BOOtiful Greetings paper collection, whether you're creating cards, albums, or home decor. Let us know in the comments below, what is your favorite of these new products? We can't wait to hear from you and can't wait to see what everyone creates with these gorgeous new papers. So thank you for joining us. And as always, happy paper crafting.